the first studio that I went to, Youthman Promotions.
Yeah, man, that's
Sugar Minott studio.
Yeah, man, the Godfather, man.
Yeah, man, that's after Sugar Minott.
Yeah, man.
R.I.P.
Yeah.
May soul rest in peace. When I used to go to school, them time I go, which school may I go again? I think Melrose or John Mills.
Yeah.
Melrose.
Yeah.
And
that day in the vicinity.
yeah, in the same area there. And when my mother used to deal with a bridging, Buddy Boy. Him pass on to me, soul rest in peace. Him carry me go to Youthman Promotions because he me do a little freestyle and him say, I like it. So him carry me go around the studio and...
Yeah, but when I said, just imagine you get for going to Sugar Minott so
Then
much
that-
greats go.
Yeah, man.
I know when you walk through the gate, your head's supposed to swell, so
Yeah,
you
man.
see all of the greats there.
Yeah, man, you have a big red gate. And when we go through that gate there, you know, man, like Quenchade and
Yeah.
a whole part of artists there at the time, man. Them carry me go around at the back section now where the studio there and bring me into the room. And I see this big mixing board and thing and fall in love with music all over again.
Yard Style Live.